my name is Aramide Oyewole, and welcome to the very first official episode of my YouTube channel. Alright, so I'm a registered nurse. Thank you. And this channel is all about nursing, entrepreneurship, and a little of lifestyle here and there. Okay, so not to talk too much, let's dive into today's episode. So today we're going to be talking about things I wish I knew before nursing school. Okay, so even like after writing jam and everything, I didn't even know there was anything called nursing school until I met a family friend, and she put me through. So I'd like to share with you some, little things I wish I knew before nursing school that have helped me along the way. But anyways, I learned, and you can learn too. Okay, so the first thing I wish I knew was uniform. Like nurses wear uniform in nursing school, the students wear uniform, so it could be scrub or the normal white uniform and all of that. I wish I had known about that because I thought I was going to higher institution, I was going to show, be a big girl, flashy makeup, everything, until they bust my bubble and they told me, and Taylor came and was measuring. I'm like, what are you measuring for? And they were like, uniform. I'm like, what? Okay, so if you think that going to school of nursing precisely that you should go and get all the Gucci ashlocks and everything, please don't bother because you're going to be wearing uniform, most of the time. But you'll be going to church, you need church wears and outing wears, but mostly you wear uniforms, Another thing I wish I had known that, within the first 6 months and after the first 6 month exam, I was going to be exposed to clinical postings. Of course I was going to be, but I was thinking maybe they were like baby us for a bit, but my brother and my sister, that was not the case. I was seeing the first dead body ever in my life, like within the first 6 months of being in an higher institution. I'm like, oh, I wasn't expecting that. Anyway, so if you are going to nursing school, brace up. I think that's why the requirement is you have to be a certain age so they feel you can be a bit mature to handle some life situations. Anyways, expect clinical postings and everything that comes with it. Another thing I wish I had known before nursing school was I wish I had known that they admit male employees in my head. I wish I had known that they admit male nurses. I mean, it's not really common where I come from, where I grew up. I've never really seen a male nurse, and in school it was a norm. And I was like, really, guys in my class, what they want to be doing? Like, how are they going to, But my sister and brother, we all coped. We all made it. So expect to see guys. So it's not like, don't be like me, don't be surprised when you see guys in your class and you're like, did they misread? Anyway, so tests and exams. I wish I had known the nursing school, you had to be on your toes. You had to be on your toes, always reading, test exams. Don't expect to be an average student. Aim to stand out. I met some people and they were like, as far as I just have 50, if you're going to be nurse, you need to be sound, up and doing, and you need to be ready for anything at any time. So your academics, they have to be, the final thing I wish I had known was the surname issue. So when I resumed within my first month, they were addressing me as Nurse Oyewole, and I'm like, that's my father's name. Anyway, so yeah, and during our orientation, we're told, we're informed that it's quacks that address as let me use my name for example, like Nostola, Aramide. Why professional, are addressed by their surname, like it has this professional thing to it, I guess. Anyway, so yes, so if you go to nursing school and people start addressing you by your surname, don't be like, what's happening? I've told you, so expect it. Yeah. So nursing school is an amazing world on its own. It's really an amazing word. So yeah, I hope from this video you've been able to learn one or two things about nursing school and things you might meet along the way and expect. So if you like this video, please do well to share to whoever you think this might be helpful to, and like, comment please if you have attended nursing school, or you know someone in nursing school, or you've heard about nursing school, or you have some conceptions about nursing school or misconceptions. Please do comment down in the comment section, and let me know what you think. And if there's anything else you'd like me to educate you about when it comes to nursing, please comment and subscribe, because in my next video I am going to be teaching, no, I am going to be educating us on how to get into nursing school, and you don't want to miss this. So thank you very much for watching and staying tuned this far. I'm really grateful. Thank you. Please turn on the notification bell so you can get notified when I post my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Stay fabulous. Bye.